Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10-Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. It was pretty traditional, just a normal, nice profit breakout trade. So let me show you what happened in the trade room. Now, as you all know, the US CPI report is a very volatile report, a very important report that we trade monthly, and it's often our trade of the week. Keep in mind, it's possible to lose money trading futures, so trade carefully, please. On this very important inflationary oriented report, because it does give a detailed accounting for what inflation in the economy is like, the Consumer Price Index, CPI. It's very important. The brokers always worry about how people are going to trade this report, and they call it a margin event where they raise the margins for this report because they feel the futures are going to have a lot of volatility. They do, but we use that to our advantage. We're trading bonds. Bonds normally have a pretty good move on this report. The little X's will be our orders. Bonds shoot up, almost hit my first target right away. They chop around a little bit. I moved my stop and put it in the wrong place, so I got that little crazy error. But you could see the price is still chopping around. It hits my first target, which had been hit previously, and now I'm able to eventually move my stop up to safety. I tried to wait patiently, but brought my target down because I felt it was going to chop around a little too much. Grabbed a profit of $343.75 on that trade. If you'll notice on the right screen, we also had a setup for gold that quite a few people were trading. And gold shot up very explosively and was quite the profitable trade. Like I said, the brokers do make this trade a little bit tricky because they limit the amount of contracts you could trade by raising the margins in the account, because the brokers are worried that people will not be able to deal with the volatility. But our software does help us to trade these reports as safely as humanly possible, and we had a nice profit over $343. Let me show you the trading screen. You can see these candles pushing up. That's where we made our money on the CPI, 343.75. Another nice winning trade in the 10-Minute Trades trade room. So thanks for watching this week's Trade of the Week, US Core CPI. Inflation is moderating, so they say.